Good morning, everybody. It is now Monday. As you can see, I removed the braces that were holding up these 4x4s, and I replaced the blocks and cut the ones that had to go around. I only got these two done so far, but they look pretty good. I have to buy a little bit more sand to put in here. As you can see, it's mostly gravel, and the sand helps the blocks lay a little bit smoother. I have to finish up this hole here. We have the rock down inside there that we got to figure out how to dig next to. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out. I tested my hammock in it yesterday. I will show you guys that later. The poles lean in a little bit, but nothing crazy. I think I'll be all right. I'm just a little worried if I have people from post to post on all three sides here, or even four, but eventually I will have a bar there, so we will only have three sides that we can hammock on. But I guess we'll have to figure that out when that situation happens. I am waiting on the guys to show up. They gotta give me a little bit of help today and get some more of this patio area done, and then I believe we are gonna demo this section here. It's like a little three-season room that I have on my house that I don't use, and the windows are all pretty bad shape. So I am going to do a wraparound deck from the door there, come around back here all the way to this door. So we're just going to prep for that. That way when we side the house, none of that is in our way. But I am going to go grab some breakfast and wait for the guys to get here, and I will keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so as you can see behind me, the whole three-season room is now demoed pretty much. We just got the deck and a couple pieces up top that we got to take care of, and then we got to house wrap it all and get it all watertight. But not bad for 2 or 3 guys, half a day. They are all eating lunch right now. We just finished up lunch, but that's done pretty much. I'm gonna have to relocate these tanks. These are my propane. I'm gonna have to find a new home for them, but it's looking pretty good. So we'll have a big wraparound deck across there, all across the back of the house, and then we'll have a bar over here, which I have a couple guys digging the holes for that. We're gonna finish this hole here. We ended up getting that rock out of it, so we can finish that and get the post all the way in the corner. We'll have to put that one piece of cobblestone back in there, and then these are the first footings for the deck, or for the bar, and we got 3 in the front and 2 in the back that we have to dig. And then I can start framing the bar by myself once that is all in there, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I am pulling out of my driveway. I'm heading to the lumberyard to grab some pressure treated 2x10s for the deck plate to get that prepped, and also like 25 or 30 bags of concrete so we can set those posts in the ground and start getting that bar area going. That's going to take me a little bit of time just because I'm going to do most of it by myself, and I'm not really exactly sure how I want to lay it out, but at least the post will be in and I'll be able to get started on it. Alright, so I am at the lumberyard. I just got all my concrete and my one 2x10 that I need for the deck plate. Time to head back home and mix some concrete and get those posts in the ground. Alright, so quick update here. We have all the holes dug for the posts. We have a couple of the posts set. This one is in concrete already. We're waiting for that to harden up. We have it braced off so it's nice and square. And then we have all the holes dug for the bar area, which will be about 5 feet by 10 feet total. So these will be the end holes. And then these other two, the one with this post and the one back there, will be the other two for the end. And this one here is going to support the countertop, and there'll be a 2-foot drawbridge style counter here to get in the bar area. So we are mixing more concrete, and we are going to get the rest of the poles in the ground and let them harden overnight. And we're working on the back door a little bit, the deck plate, and this demo job over here is completely done pretty much. The whole 3-season room is gone, all tie-parred and watertight, so we're having a pretty good day. All right, guys, so we got all the posts set. We have the outline for the bar area. We got concrete in all of them. That one should be pretty close to solid already. We got all these full of concrete, letting them dry up. But that is all done, so that is a check off the list on what I needed to get done. I can't wait till that bar is done, and then I can set up a TV in there and whatnot, get some lights going. I'll hang the lights that I had around all the posts from post to post to post to post basically, and they'll dangle in front of the bar there once that's done. But that's one thing that we got done. Then we got the plate for my back deck on the house, and we got this old 3-season room completely demoed. So I'm pretty happy with what we got done today. I'm gonna have to do another load and get all these blocks out of here, because one, it's concrete, and two, the dump truck is packed, so we're not fitting much more in there. But that's no big deal. I can take that to the dump whenever and then throw all the blocks in there on a different day. And hopefully, if the price of lumber will come down a little bit, we can get a back deck on this house in a reasonable amount of time. I'm still waiting on my grass to grow in. As you can see, it's starting to fill in pretty nice, but I'm gonna have to water it soon. It is gonna be rainy, or it's gonna be sunny all week, and we're not gonna have any rain until I believe Saturday, and today is only Monday, so that's a bit of an issue. It's just gonna cook all week. But besides that, I think that is a wrap. I may add something at the end of this video, just fixing the blocks in the corners and stuff and getting it all unbraced and having just the post sitting there. Oh, I also may get a hammock out here and hammock between these posts so you guys can understand what exactly I'm talking about with them leaning a bit, but that'll be hard to show you guys with just me filming. I'll try and figure something out, but if I don't show you that, then that means this is a wrap, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments about what I should be doing, any ideas for my backyard, pretty much anything at all that you want to say, leave it down below in the comments. Give this video a like, share it, tell your friends, whatever. It all helps, so I appreciate it. But I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.